Aloha, my name is Ethan West, co-founder of Punahele Provisions, the Hawaii-grown baby food company. We source sustainable, voyaging food ingredients from across the state to give families a healthy, Hawaii-grown start to life. To help share a little more about who we are, please enjoy this video.
Our children are everything. Every giggle, every step, every moment is one to be cherished. The first 1,000 days of our children's lives are the most critical to their development. And as parents, we want to make sure we're putting the absolute best foods into their growing bodies. That's why we founded Punahele Provisions, to offer the healthiest baby food made from the best of what Hawaii has to offer. We use sustainably sourced, island-fresh ingredients and superfoods like taro and breadfruit grown on the Hawaiian Islands to create nutritious and delicious on-the-go baby food pouches. Our blends are made with no artificial flavors or additives, just pure fruits and veggies for a healthy start to life. Making this food is a labor of love for us and our farming partners, and we can't wait to share it with the families in our state and beyond.
Manufacturing in Hawaii, now more than ever, is a quintessential component of our economy, and will become an ever-increasing sector as we push towards its diversification and creating a more resilient and innovative workforce across the state. At Punahele Provisions, we foster an environment that is conducive to lifelong learning and pursuing your passions. We have career opportunities planned for folks with an education and passion for helping to bring the best foods for the world to the world. Some careers you might see are food scientists, helping to develop scalable recipes rooted in native Hawaiian culture. Biodynamic agriculturalists to help ensure that we are sourcing nothing but the best ingredients for our land and our communities. Storytellers, quite often referred to as marketing, branding, and PR professionals, to get the word out in a way that connects and builds community. Craftsmen and craftswomen to help out in making sure every batch of Punahele Provisions is up to our quality and food safety standards. And these are just a few of the career opportunities we're bringing to Hawaii. In addition to being the first Hawaii-grown baby food available at retail, we are partners for both the Hawaii Seal of Quality and the Made in Hawaii with Aloha programs through the Hawaii Department of Agriculture. And we take pride in being able to help create an environment of transparency on labeling, to know exactly what was grown and made locally. Resiliency has always been an important aspect of our business, and we are proponents of creating a more resilient and self-sustaining future for Hawaii. To do our part, we source 100% of our produce from farmers across the state. During this time of global pandemic, cracks and flaws in our centralized food system have been revealed. Now is the time to work together on implementing new and innovative strategies which put our communities first to help create a future for Hawaii that decreases our dependence on imported goods and improves our circular economy.